My bad. How did your wedding go? Give me the gist.
Just again.
It's a wedding.
I told you nothing special. See, every wedding life is dependent on the couple. My husband was even playing so cool on that day. I had to ask him if everything was alright, if he was sick. Yes. I'm very serious. And you know it didn't happen in Nigeria. Yes, it happened abroad. So trust me, nothing special.
But there's always, gist when it comes to wedding.
Yes, there's nothing special.
Oh, honey! Welcome.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
I hope your journey was stress-free.
I did.
Okay.
Welcome there.
Thank you. Honey, I need to go inside, okay? I'm so tired. So tired.
Just freshen up. I'll come dish out some food for you immediately.
Okay.
You know what? Let me go attend to my husband.
Okay, it's
I'll
fine.
be back. I know there's something you're hiding.
There is nothing.
Honey! Sweetheart! Oh, alright. Come in. Honey? What are you doing?
Trying to prepare something for you.
Come on, I told you not to bother yourself, okay? I thought I was going to get you something.
You did, but I miss my home. I miss my kitchen. Come on.
There you go again. Please stop. You just go back from the hospital. I need to rest. You don't need to bother yourself. Rest until you get back on your feet, then you can continue with this, okay?
Baby, I am on my feet. Don't worry, let me just make the sauce then.
I said no. Please, let's go. I got you something. You like it? You need to be strong, honey, please.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright. Okay, you might try it on the
Let's cover that.
Let's go. I'll come back and finish up, okay? Don't worry, I'll make the sauce for you myself. want more stew? Just add a little for you. Okay, so you have to eat. Alright? Take. Yeah. Please, you have to manage it, okay? Please. Honey, please, you need to eat. I beg you.
I will. But I would have loved it more if I prepared it myself. You know I love to cook, don't you?
I do, I know. Okay, come on. You just need to eat this, okay?
Why are you treating me like I'm handicapped?
Come on, honey, I'm not the one here. Okay, I'm not the one that caused it. Look, your checkup is in 4 days' time, okay? So as soon as the doctor says you're good to go, then you can go back to your normal life. Alright? For now, all I need you to do is just sit, eat, sleep and rest. Okay? Avoid anything that's going to stress you. Please. Look, I need you to finish this food and take your drugs. Okay? So while you're resting, I can quickly go pick the children up from school. Now it's 2 p.m. already.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So let me quickly get you your water and your drugs. Alright? But make sure you finish this food before I come back. Let's end. Alright. Just a minute. Hello? Good afternoon. Yes, how is the family? Well, I thank God. I mean, we thank God she's recovering. She's fast recovering. What? You mean the family land? Wow, that's I mean that's a nice news. That's great. But the problem now I mean this information is coming to me at the time that I am completely penniless. Yes, right now I am seriously cashless. But no problem. I'll see what I can do about it. Okay. Thank you so much. I will try and call you before then. All right. Please, my regards to your family. Thank you. What do I do? And I'm only doing my best, you know. Yes. Man has to double his hustling. I mean, I have to hustle more. All right, no problem. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bye. Who do I call right now? Who do I call? Alex. Alex. Oh, let me call Austin. Austin. All right. Austin. Yeah, man. How you doing? It's been ages. How is the family? How's everyone? My brother, all is not well. I have to be sincere, all is not well at all. Yes, I'm saying the truth, you know. I mean, the more I hustle, the more it's as if I'm not even putting effort. And the more I hustle, the more empty I become. Bro, grand no level, grand no level at all. Bro, I don't know, I seriously need your help. I don't know how financially buoyant you are. Please, I need financial assistance right now. Yes. Like, it's very, very urgent. I don't know if you can lend me, I mean, any amount. I promise I'll pay back. This Saturday? Austin, thank you so much. Thank you, man. I mean, you're a lifesaver. I promise I'll pay back. Thank you. I'll be expecting. Okay? All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hey. Emeka called me.
Okay.
He called to inform me that our family land is about to be shared. He said any interested married man should pay the sum of 150,000 naira. Yeah. And I've called everyone. I mean, I've made all the necessary calls I need to make to see if I can raise the fund, but all to no avail. It's not working. I'm just confused.
Well, why now?
Same thing I asked myself immediately after the call. I mean, look at me. I am penniless. I am empty. Look at the children's school fees is there. I've not paid a dime. Even the endoscopy the doctor prescribed that I'm going to do for you, I have not paid a dime. I mean, I don't even know where to start from. It's just so bad that the only money I have with me right now is just 27,000 naira. That's what I have left in my account.
Okay, baby, how about I call my sister? Yes, I'll call her to see if she can, raise something for us. That could work. I mean, she's my sister. I know she'll want to help me. So, definitely, I'll just call her and see what she can do for us.
You think she can help?
We'll try. Don't worry. I'm sure everything will just work out fine. And you will have your own share of the family land.
Well, look, how? How is that even possible when I've not paid a dime? I don't even have money anywhere. It's just so bad that...
You know what? Can you stop lamenting? Don't worry. We're in this together. I'm sure we'll come up with something. Together, we're stronger. Relax. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
I love you more.
kept me here for minutes with your wrong parking. Huh? I'm talking to you, sir.
What is it? What is...
Wait.
Eunice?
It's a lie. Chidi!
No, it's a lie. Look at you.
Oh my God!
Look at you.
Look at you. It's been so long, like 8 years, right?
Yeah, 8 years.
Chidi, you stay in the city?
Yeah, I stay in this city. And you? You stay here?
Not really, but yes, I moved in 3 days ago. I've just been transferred.
Okay.
Yeah, I came to meet the agent helping me to get an apartment.
All right. So, have you seen him already?
Yes, but I don't really like the houses I saw.
All right.
And you, what's up with you?
My life, a lot. I mean, it's a long story. So much is happening around me now. Like, my life is piled up with so much problems at the moment. You know what? I wouldn't want to start boring with my sad stories. Okay, let me just have your number and we'll talk over the phone.
Oh, okay. Let me have yours.
All right.
Yes. Yeah, you can put in yours.
All right. Here is my number.
Let me call you right away.
Okay.
It should be ringing.
All right. I actually rushed out to get some medication of my wife that she's going to take this afternoon.
Oh, your wife is sick?
Yeah. Part of the story I'm talking about.
It's a pity.
It's okay. We'll talk over the phone, okay?
Yeah, we'll talk.
All right.
Come on, Chidex.
So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
All right. You take care of yourself, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry for...
Oh, it's okay. It's fine.
To the hospital. I don't want to die here. Let it be that the doctor saw me in my current state and they didn't do anything about it, but please don't let me die here.
I will take you to the hospital, okay? I promise. I'll take you to the hospital, but please, baby. Please, your choice of words is killing me. It's killing me. You're not going to die. Nothing will happen to you, baby. You're not going to leave us, the children and I. Please.
No,
Stop crying.
I really do not want to die, but I don't want to die either. I cherish every moment I've spent with you, but this pain is killing me. It's killing me. Please just take me to the hospital. Let me see a doctor.
Wait, I'll take you to the hospital first. Baby. You need to take your medication, okay? I believe it's going to relieve you. Let me just quickly get you water. Let me get water. Please, I'm coming. Please. All is not well. Yes, I rushed her to the hospital same yesterday. As we speak, she's on admission. The doctor said her condition is critical, so they must place her on admission. No, the point is, I am so confused and broke at the moment. I am very broke. Okay, I'll call you as soon as I'm less busy at the hospital. Yes, I quickly rushed down to pick up a few things for her. I'm going back to the hospital. All right, I'll call you. All right, bye.
Come on. You don't have to be too hard on yourself.
Oh. How did I get into this mess? The world has tossed me about like it does. My wife is critically sick. Critically sick. Presently, she's on a drug that we import from China. A dose of that drug costs 67,000 naira. all my innings, every dime, everything I have gone into this her treatment. I mean, what am I even saying? I'm even able to foot the bill for the drugs through the help of friends, friends and people who visit the hospital to render help and prayers. Everything I have, everything is gone. Oh, God. It's okay. Will I ever come out of this? Ines.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. Easy.
Thank you so much. I didn't know you were going to make that time for us. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Can you come and sit?
Oh, no, don't worry, I'll stand. Please sit. So, how is she?
She's fine. She's fine. Thank God.
She'll be fine.
So, these things you brought, are they for us?
Of course they are.
Oh, come on, Eunice. You shouldn't have stressed yourself. She doesn't eat anything.
Don't bother. Okay? She'll be fine, she'll be fine.
Thank you. Alright, I'll take them home for the children. Okay?
Oh, if you say so, but I got something for them as well.
Ah,
Yes.
thank you so much, Ines. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you too. You're a good husband.
Thank you.
Okay, don't worry, she'll be fine. You need to go to the hospital.
I'm just confused. I mean, everything that requires money just clustered at the same time. I just don't know what to do. Like, the land, my wife's health, my children's school fees, even my rent. Like, I've tried several to see how I can apply for a loan, but it wasn't successful because I've not liquidated the previous one. I'm just confused. Like, I wish I knew what to do.
So, in other words, you haven't paid for the surgery.
I have, but
But what?
it's not enough. I mean, the money I paid for, it's not complete. Okay, I am just bothered. I mean, that is exactly what has been disturbing me since I came here. I don't know how to bother you. I don't know how to tell you.
How much more are we talking about?
50,000 naira.
50,000 naira? Is that why you're bothered? It's fine. Don't worry, I'll make a transfer to you immediately. Just send me your details, I'll make the transfer. Then I'll come see you at the hospital later.
Ines, are you serious?
Don't bother, I'm serious. Just send me and I'll make a transfer, okay?
Thank you so much, Ines. Thank you.
Okay, come on.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Fine.
I'm
It's
grateful.
Fine. Stop.
Oh, I'm so sorry, okay? So sorry keeping you waiting, okay?
It's okay, Chidi. It's okay.
You can say that again. Well, thank you. And I thank God for everything. Now my wife can eat anything. Anything. I actually came back from the hospital so I can prepare her favorite myself.
You are indeed a good husband, I must say.
You stop flattering me. And you're a wonderful soul.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I mean, if not for you, who knows what would have happened You know, not everybody would have even have the courage or the little conscience to help us the way you did. Now I am faced with the hospital bill. Yeah.
Oh, you've been billed?
No, not yet. But the balance for the surgery is 350,000. Come on, I'm just getting prepared, okay? You know how expensive it is in this country, just 1 day admission. See us now, we spent 2 months plus. We're gonna die.
I told you, you have nothing to worry about. Well, that's one of the reasons I'm here.
Do you want to help me with this too?
Yes. And I also got you a job.
Come on, Eunice, come here. Come here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I have
Thank
a
you.
slot for you, and I believe you're the best for the position.
How could I ever say thank you? I mean, how could I ever say thank you enough?
It's okay.
God bless you. You're such a darling. Such a darling.
The job is yours.
Thank you.
But on one condition.
Am I doing the right thing? Should I tell Kate? Kate is still recuperating. I don't know how she's going to take this. I don't know how she's going to take this. We need to live all right. We need to bounce back.
Thank you. Feels good to be home. I've missed home. Oh, where are my kids?
I dropped them with the Uzis. You know, I dropped them there before coming to the hospital.
Oh,
I'll just go
okay.
pick them up later, right?
Okay, that's
So
fine.
good to have you back. So let me quickly turn on the heater so you can take your bath and freshen up. So sorry.
I'm grateful to you, and I'll forever be. Thank God you intervened when you did. Just right on time.
I don't like this. I truly don't like it. You talk like I did too much. Chidi is my friend, a very good one at that. I did what I was supposed to do. I mean, God has blessed me with money, so I should help people.
Regardless, I'm thankful. Thank you. Honey, you didn't bring the meat for her?
I'm okay. I told you I'm fine.
But you'll be fine with just this, and you're not even drinking it at that. Listen, I made the meat specially for you. You will like it.
You worry yourself too much. I know you now, we're friends. There's always a next time.
If you say so.
I say so, I'm fine.
Honey,
Yes.
let me allow both of you to get along, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you soon. Mhm.
Men are always looking for every opportunity to go chill out with their friends.
Of course.
Hello, Eunice.
Hi there. How are you doing? I'm sure you are fully recovered.
Well, I thank God I'm fine. I'm just indoors, waiting for the 2 weeks to elapse, like the doctor instructed, before I start going out.
It's no longer far.
Thank you. So how are you? What's up with you?
Many things, but let me tell you the most important. I am getting married.
What? For real? Oh my God! For real? Do you know, I was beginning to even ask myself if all these men out there are blind. You're supposed to be off the market before now. Long ago. Congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell me, when is the wedding? Because I cannot wait to come and eat rice and dance very well for you.
My dear, it's not in Nigeria. The wedding is happening in Australia. That's where he stays and is taking place next week.
Next week? My darling, why didn't you even consider me? You know my condition. What am I even talking about? The location is already a barrier. I can't even make it in the first place. But not to worry. I'll make sure Chidi attends. Even if it means borrowing, one of us has to attend. And I'll make sure Chidi comes.
Thank you. That's the reason I called you first. I've not even told him.
You have nothing to worry about. I'll tell him. He will have to attend. Don't stress yourself, girl. Besides, you have a lot to plan, so there's no time for you anymore. If not, I would have even told you to bring the invitation by yourself, at least to formally invite us. But I know the time is short and you have a lot to work on. So it's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, darling. Bye. Honey?
Yeah, babe.
Eunice is getting married.
Wow. So sudden?
She said next week.
What?
Baby, you have to attend her wedding at least.
Only she actually told me about it.
Oh.
Yeah, she told me that a guy visited her parents, asking for her hand in marriage. I never knew the wedding was going to be so sudden. So fast.
My darling, I was shocked. But you know what? You need to attend her wedding. It's very important you do. Yes, at least to say thank you for all she's done for us.
Is that what you want?
Of course. There's no need to contemplate. That's what I want. You will grace her wedding.
Eunice!
My babies! How are you, boy? How are you?
Eunice! What?
Good to Oh, thank you, my baby.
Eunice, what are you doing here with this bag?
We had the boy. Good to see you. You're welcome.
Oh, come on.
Anyway, I have come to possess my position.
What?
And please, do not disturb. My condition doesn't need it.
Your condition? What condition?
Are you going to show me to my room now or... Oh, don't worry.
Please Sit here, come. I do not know what you're planning or what you're up to. But whatever it is, stay the hell away from my wife.
Okay. Welcome, my darling friend.
Good evening. You came.
Oh yes, I came the day before yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't inform you. Okay? My house was affected by the governor's demolition.
Oh,
All my properties gone. So sad.
oh my God. It's a pity. So sorry about it.
It's fine.
I know you told me you lived around that area, but I never knew yours would be affected. Oh my God. So tell me, how are you coping?
Oh, my darling, I'm coping well. I told my husband about it and he's gonna do something very soon.
So sorry about it once again.
Fine. You know how it can be. It's fine.
Anyway, you know what? Feel at home. Relax. You're okay here, okay? Let me go inside, change, freshen up, then I'll come out for some gist if you feel up to it,
Sorry,
okay?
what gist?
Your wedding gist, of course. I need to hear all the nitty-gritty about your wedding.
Kate, there is nothing to talk about. No gist.
Of course,
No, that's nothing to talk about.
I refuse, Eunice. Trust me, there is so much gist to talk about. I'll be right out.
I've been looking for.
Your meal tasted super nice. I hope she didn't stress you in cooking.
He didn't. Besides, I can't be here and let him cook. Come on now.
I understand, but he's not supposed to push his responsibility to a visitor. That's all wrong. He's supposed to do it himself.
Who's the visitor? Me.
Sorry.
Oh, please, I'm no longer a visitor.
My bad. My bad. I'm truly sorry. Don't mind me. But still, you should have just done something about it. Anyway, my bad. How did your wedding go? Give me the gist.
Just again.
How's the wedding?
I told you nothing special. See, every wedding life is dependent on the couple. My husband was even playing so cool on that day. I had to ask him if everything was alright, if he was sick. Yes. I'm very serious. And you know it didn't happen in Nigeria. Yes, it happened abroad. So trust me, nothing special.
There's always, gist when it comes to wedding.
Kids, there's nothing special.
Oh, honey! Welcome.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
I hope your journey was stress-free.
I did.
Okay.
Welcome there.
Thank you. Honey, I need to go inside, okay? I'm so tired. So tired.
Just freshen up. I'll come dish out some food for you immediately.
Okay.
You know what? Let me go attend to my husband.
Okay, it's
I'll
fine.
be back. I know there's something you're hiding.
There is nothing.
Honey,
Yeah, babe.
we promised to tell each other everything. Yet, you housed your friend without my knowledge.
I'm sorry, okay, but come on. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Because I know that eventually you're going to consent, okay? Although I tried reaching you, yeah, I called you severally, but come on now, you know how epileptic the network in our village is, so I'm sorry.
At least you should have told me the time we spoke.
Yeah, you're correct, okay, but I'm sorry, I guess my mind got occupied with so many things. I'm
it's
sorry.
fine. I was just surprised seeing her and learning that she has spent 2 days already. But it's alright. Besides, you didn't tell me that our wedding was not groovy. She said our groom was acting all cold as if he was sick. Why didn't you gist me?
Oh. Well, I didn't notice that. Come on now. I didn't. I guess I was just getting to meet the groom for the first time, so I was thinking that that's his personality. So
Whatever.
No, babe. Enough of the talks already.
Okay.
Can we go back to sleep? I'm so tired. Okay, I'm having headache already.
Sleep? Really? I've been away for 4 days. I just got back and you're talking about sleep. Who is sleeping tonight? Definitely not me. The kids are sleeping. You and I, we're not sleeping.
You're spoiled, I'm tired.
Come on, you're not tired. You and I know you're not tired.
I refuse to believe that you've been on this all day. It means if you're to do all the dishes in this house, we'll probably wait for you for 1 full year. Oh God, simply means we won't eat for 1 year. That's quite painful. You're such a troubleshooter.
I know. Don't worry.
Please, just worry.
I'm almost done.
Okay, please. Just hurry up because I need to start cooking.
Alright.
Okay, let's
Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. You're not dancing. Kenna is winning you already. Kenna shark do. Kenna shark do. Kenna shark. Baby shark do. Baby shark do. Baby shark. Shark do. Baby shark do. Baby shark. Give me 5. That's my boy. Let's go on. Kenna shark do. Kenna shark do. Kenna shark. Oh, that's my boy. Give me 5.
No wonder they are quiet. They've seen what they want. They always disturb me to sing and dance with them, but
I know you want.
what's that time?
I know you won't. You won't have their time.
Anyway, since you're busy with them, let me be busy with my phone.
Okay. Baby, let's continue because you're winning your brother. Okay? Baby shark do. Baby shark do. Yeah?
Lest I forget, your wedding photos, are they not out yet?
No, not yet.
This long?
I'm even surprised myself. But I'll ask my husband if he has received any pictures. I think the reason is because we paid for the electronic type of album.
Yeah, I am thinking they do things better than us here. But that notwithstanding, it's not supposed to take this long, electronic or not. Come on. Tell me. Is it that no one even took any pictures, during the event, say captured any moments or something?
I doubt. My husband Theo is a very private person and no one was allowed to snap in the venue except the paid photographer.
Wow. That's absurd though.
That's what he wanted. And we just had to do it his way. Yeah, but baby, please let's continue our dance. Kene chak baby is not dancing. Chak baby chak. Kene chak Kene, when I give birth to you, boy, you come and teach my son how to dance. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Kene chak give me 5. Good. has been ringing. Hurry up! Kate!
Who is that
It's
again?
ringing. It's ringing.
Hello? Yes, I'm his wife. Accident? Which hospital?
I'll be there shortly. I'll just call his friend. He's closer. And I'll come. Thank you.
What is it? Talk to me. What is it?
Chidi, he was involved in an
Involved in
accident.
what?
I want to... Yes, Patrick. Okay. Hello, Patrick. Yes, Chidi, he was involved in an accident. No, Faithful Hospital in Okigwe was on his way back. Please, can you just hurry there? I'll join you. Let me just get one or two things and I'll come over. I'm already on my way. Okay, I'm coming with you. Hurry. Chidi, how? Please.
Kate!
Nonsense is this now? How?
Kate, hurry!
Hey. Okay. So soon?
What's the development? Tell me.
That was Patrick. He said he's on his way to this place.
Just like that.
What's happening? What's going on? God, take control, please. Patrick.
Hi, how are you?
Where's my husband?
He's fine, okay? He's fine. Just sit.
Well, why is he not here with you?
Can you just sit?
Okay. Oh, sorry, forgive my manners. Please come in.
Kate.
Yes. Do they need money?
Sorry, we lost Chidi.
Excuse me? What?
Kate! He died almost immediately. And he was confirmed dead even before I got there. Well, I've deposited his body in the mortuary. Since there was no relative.
So this is the forever Chidi promised me. Why would you just die and leave me? Why would he die? Oh, listen. Look at my two children. What will I do? Death has cheated me, oh. Death has cheated me. Patrick, are you sure my husband is dead? Are you sure you saw him? No. Chidi will not leave me like this. No. No. This is too much to bear. Oh, this is too much to bear.
Me without any proper or formal introduction. No, Eunice, don't break down.
Mom, Chidi is dead. He's a strong man. He should have fought that like how we fought everything together. Every problem we faced, he has always fought for us. He should have just stayed strong this time. Uncle, take a good look at me. My 2 kids. Am I not too young to be a widow? Where do I start from? What do I do? Chidi shouldn't have left me. How do I start to face this wicked world by myself? How, Uncle? How?
You should get hold of yourself, Kate. I mean, move on back to your normal life. God. I know, Chidi.
You're welcome, sir.
When did she come here?
You know her?
I think we've met.
Well, Uncle, she's Chidi's friend. She's one of those that was affected by the ongoing demolition by the state government. So she's staying here with us for now. Trust me, Uncle, she's been really helpful. It's because of her I'm still standing. She's helped me a lot.
Chidi's friend. I see. That's nice. Nah. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Kate.
Uncle.
It is better we bury him now. Keeping him in the mortuary is not the best option. Huh? He needs to be buried. What do you think?
Tell me, your daughter or your neighbor or what exactly? Listen, I am not Chidi. I'm not Chidi you can force or blackmail to marry you. As for me, I'm a whole different species. You don't order me around.
1 minute. And my belongings are not inside where they were. I will show you that this pregnancy is not weakness. What is it? Mama, talk to your son's wife.
As you can see, I threw her filthy belongings outside. She does not belong here.
Why? Why do you throw her things outside? Why?
She does not belong here now, Mama. Why are you still asking me? She does not belong here.
Hey, Chidi. Chidi. Have you seen what you've caused?